Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are breaking down how DNS works, the system that helps your browser find any website on the internet. Every device connected to the internet is identified by an IP address, a string of numbers. But humans don't remember numbers, but we remember names like google.com. That's where DNS, that is the domain name systems, comes in. It translates domain names into IP address so your browser knows where to go. Now let's understand step by step how DNS work. It starts by user entering a domain. You open your browser and type www.google.com. The browser needs the IP address of the domain to load the page. First, your browser will check the local cache. Your system first checks if it is already knows the IP address from the past visit or not. If not, the query is sent to a DNS resolver, usually provided by your ISP, that is Internet Service Provider. The resolver is responsible for finding the correct IP address. If the resolver doesn't know the answer, it starts querying DNS servers in a specific order. Starting from root name server, the top of DNS hierarchy, it doesn't know the final IP but tells which server handles the TLDs like .com, .org or .net. Then it moves to the TLD name server that is responsible for all domains with a specific extensions. For www.google.com, the TLD server for .com is contacted. It replies with address of the authoritative name server for google.com. Now it moves to authoritative name server. This server knows the actual IP of the domain. It returns the IP address for www.google.com. Then IP is returned to the resolver, then to the browser. The resolver now has the IP address. It sends this information back to your browser. www.com now has corresponding IP address and it is stored in your browser. Now your browser can establish a connection and load a website. So in simple terms, DNS turns names into IPs and connects you to the right place. I hope this helped you understand how DNS really works clearly and simply. Thanks for